Good afternoon, Mr. Pate's 5th period class. I'm McKay Pettis from MMV News, and today, May 11th, we're going to start off with the weather.
Breaking news!
Instead of doing the weather, we're going to start off with percents and proportions because Jennifer McCripple needs help or she'll fail her test. What is it? A percent is a ratio whose denominator is 100. The symbol for a percent sign is shown for you on the screen. A proportion is an equation that states two ratios are equal. The proportion we're using is A over B equals P over 100. The A is a part of the base, and the B is the base. Finally, the P stands for the percent out of 100. Alright, now it's time for an example. So the question is, what percent of 72 is 54? The question is asking for the percent of 72. So you would write 54 over 72 because you need to find the percent of 54 out of 72. And then the next part is x over 100 because the 72 is the 100% and we need to find 54 over 72, which is represented by x because it's unknown. Then we cross multiply and divide. Now we're going to do a word problem. The question is, out of 32 football teams and 4 teams are in the AFC East Division, what percent of the teams are in the AFC? Since there are 32 teams and 4 are in the AFC, we will put 4 over 32 and x over 100 since we are finding the percent out of 32. Then you will multiply x by 32 and 4 by 100 to get 32x equals 400. Then you want to get x by itself, so you'll do 32x divided by 32 to get x, and you'll divide 400 by 32 to get 12.5 equals x. The sources we used for this lesson was the Holt McDougall Larson Pre-Algebra Math book. That's it for today's lesson on MMV News. Hope you enjoyed and hope Jennifer McCripple doesn't fail her test. Now back to the weather.